Hey friends, today we are starting another video on this game called Cotton Tower. I'm just collecting some coins on the ground floor. And now we will start. I like to use these coils so then it makes it easier for me. Whoops. And my favorite coil is the jumping coil. There. Now, this is a great game if you're feeling bored and you have nothing to do while you're playing Roblox. And now we're back. Sorry, now I'm at the yellow stage. Making great timing here. And so far, no damage has been done. So that's good. Now it gets harder once you go on to the higher levels. Oh, almost fell there. And nobody will be featured inside this video, considering that I'm inside my private server right now. Whoa, that was close. Well, why am I not? Now to start again. Here, there. Now that is why I use the jumping coil. Tends to make it easier for me. Also, my comments are not turned on because I am using screen share, but that's okay. I do not want comments on my videos and it's okay for me. For my Gacha Club videos, the comments will be turned on though. Oh no, my game is glitching. Phew. Ooh, I'm on the second yellow stage. And wow, I have many coins. Oh my. Yes, I definitely might need to make a part 2 on this. Oh no. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Ooh. Okay. Oh no. Also, if you ever want to friend me, my Roblox username is KSnake6. Maybe capital K, maybe no capital K. And I mostly play Adopt Me. So if you ever want to find me, just type in my username, friend me, and then you can join me in my Adopt Me game or other game. Oh no, okay. Well, I guess I have to start from here, yeah. Luckily, I only fell there. Not that far off. Oh no, this is so frustrating. Now I'm starting to get the hang of this. Oh no, my game's like, oh my, that was close. Oh, phew. Always when I make that jump over there, I don't really tend to make it. Maybe this time I will. Oh my god, that was so close. I took a little bit of damage, but that's okay, I'm still here. Okay, I'm almost to the green. No! Okay, you know what? Maybe I'll just stop it here for this video. I know it's pretty short, but this is what I have to do. Rage quitting. Bye!